Namaste from Techraman. This is Lakshmarajan and I have here the Vivo S1 Pro, which has been recently launched in India. Of course, the highlight of the phone is the diamond shaped camera module, but in this video I'm going to talk about the fingerprint sensor as well as the face recognition and the various features that it comes with. This phone comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, so here also you have a diamond shaped display pattern over here, and there are various other animations which I will talk to you in this video. So let's see how good this fingerprint sensor is to begin with. So the fingerprint sensor is fairly fast, and let's also see how good is the face recognition. So as you see in the video, the face recognition is also quite fast. Now let's get into the settings. I'll show you a few things. So when you go to the settings and you find the fingerprint, face and password option, and here you find the fingerprint sensor option over here. And you also have a lot of animation styles. So you can choose various animation styles, and these are the animation styles this comes with. So you can choose the favorite ones from these options here. So there are around 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 options you get, and you can customize the way you want to. And talking about the app, whether we can app lock, yes you can. There is privacy and app encryption. So there is privacy and app encryption. So heading over into that, you get an option to encrypt the apps. So you can secure any apps you want to, as well as it also gives an option to hide apps. So I have secured my album, so you need either my fingerprint or face recognition to access it. So these are the features of the fingerprint sensor as well as the face recognition you get on this phone in the Vivo S1 Pro. And I will do further videos on the various aspects of this phone. So for that you subscribe to my channel and support me. See you in the next video. This is Lakshmarajan signing off for Tech Raman. Thank you.